Hello everyone, this is Virendra Rajawat and I am the founder of the Investors Profit Club. And today we are going to discuss what knowledge, what skill sets do one need to start investing or trading in the stock market, right? So guys, stock market is a very shiny place, and most of the people think that it will make them rich quickly. Okay, uh, somewhat that is possible, but it is possible for only them who have the experience, who have the acumen to judge the fundamentals of the companies or the stocks, okay, that particular stock, and who can read the price chart based on the technical analysis. Only they can make it, right? Now the question arises, who can do it? Okay, it can be done by anyone, right? Whether you are a working professional, you are a student, you are a housewife, or you are a retired person, you can do it. Anybody can do it. Another question which often create doubts into our minds are, I don't understand finance, I don't have any background of commerce, so can I be able to understand the market? Can I be able to make money, or will I be successful in the stock market? Yes, you can be, yes. In fact, I was a science student, okay, but I have a flair of learning the stock market. And if I can do it, you can do it. Anybody can do it. So now discuss what all skill sets, okay, what all skill sets are required to be successful in the market. First and the foremost is analytical skills. Okay, you need to analyze the fundamentals of a particular stock of the company. Okay, then you will also need to understand the price pattern study. You need to study the price pattern of that particular stock or script in which you are looking to be invested, right? And that is called technical analysis of the stock. So fundamental analysis and technical analysis is very, very important, and that needs to be done before investing in that particular stock, right? Then you need to have the research skills. You should able to understand the in-depth knowledge and through research, before investing in the company, and that needs to be done carefully, right? The other one is adaptability. Okay, you need to be adaptable with the stock market's ups and downs, right? Market will not move as per according to you. Okay, rather you need to move according to the market, so that you will be a successful investor, right? And the next one is patience. Okay, you need to have and develop enough patience in the market. You need to keep enough patience in the market. Only then you will be successful. Remember, market shifts money from impatience to the patient person, right? Okay, who keep patience, he will get the money, right? uh, the last one is risk management. Okay, you should manage your risk carefully and as per your appetite. So probably, I have an appetite, a risk appetite, a large risk appetite. So probably I will take a large risk, and there may be a possibility I will make large money out of it. And you need to manage your risk according to your appetite only. Okay, if you can take a risk of 500 rupees, then accordingly you need to do it and you need to manage it, right? Respect the market. And if it is not acting according to you, let's say you have taken an entry into the stock and it is not going into your direction, book your losses and take another winning trade. Okay, so that way that needs to be done. Okay, so these things will make you a successful investor and trader, right? And in case you want to understand more about the stock market, you can get in touch with me. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. And thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.